All right, this is the next installment of Things on My Desk. This is a peristaltic pump. It's a very simple device. It's a motor. The pump head here, there's 3 lobes in there you can see in the center, right around the shaft. It does a maximum of 4.8 liters per hour, so it dispenses an exact amount of fluid or whatever's going through the tubes here. They use this a lot for blood machines. They use it a lot for industry where you have a specific amount of fluid that you have to pump over a certain amount of time. And so I'm gonna make a series on this video and just pull it apart so you guys can see what's inside. Thank you. Okay, this will be the final video. We're just gonna take it all the way apart. Pull the silicone tube out, pull these clips out. There you have your inner housing and your race for your rollers. No directionality. Well, there's a little directionality because there's that, so you got the hole on that side. Interesting too how tight this clip is. Makes me think not a lot of fluid can get through there. But easy to replace, easy to work on. There you go.